Right, peoples, we're going to attack this printer. I'm probably not going to show you a real lot because, yeah, it's probably not worth it, but yeah. I'll pull bits apart, and we'll take it from there. As you can see, we're into it. We'll pull on a fair bit apart. And I don't know whether this bloody thing's going to focus or not, but yeah, all these bits of metal, I'm getting them out. Yeah, there's a lot of plastic here, a lot of plastic, but yeah, we'll keep going. Nothing else better to do. Alright, we're into the heart of the matter now. Got a board there. I still haven't taken out the what you might call it, it's the ink wells. A little bit of metal. And we got some skibble scabble. That's aluminium and stainless in there. And some bits and pieces here. But we'll keep going. We're into it now. Little bits of board. Now, come on, focus, you mother of a thing. There we go. Yeah, little bits of board. Aluminium, stainless steel, and steel. Still going, having fun. Alright, back soon. Alright, so I've pulled the printer apart. Oh no, the actual ink wells apart. And I don't know whether you can see there or not, but these are gold tipped. They're from out of the back. So yeah, gold tips on those. I can't focus in good enough for you, but you might be able to see the gold on there if you wanted to recover them. We'll see how we go. Here I've just bagged up the ink cartridges. We don't. All we can do here is recycle them, give them to your local post office. They have a bin there for Planet Ark. We don't get a resale on these. So yeah. Anyway, we'll keep going. I'm pulling things apart. Oh, this thing won't focus. Yeah, we're getting there. Alright, so what do we end up with? Got a few boards here. Got some copper bearing motors and a speaker. That's actually the scanner part. I don't know whether that's worth anything or not, but I'll keep it at the moment. A shitload of screws. Some some steel. That rod's fairly heavy. A battery. A little bit of stainless steel. A little bit of aluminium, not much. And some ribbon wire and other crap. Oh yeah. Plus the actual ink itself, which we shall recycle. So yeah, you don't get much out of them. A lot of plastic left over, but it was interesting. I'd probably do it again now that I've got half a clue. It took a little while, but yeah, that was interesting. On to the next. Alright, the George Foreman grill. Two chunky bits of cast aluminium. They've got the heating element in there, so they'll be dirty cast. That's a solid chunky bit of cast steel. cast iron, skibble scabble, and the wires. That's about it. Alright, that'll do me for now. I'll catch you later. So, what did we end up with? There's a heap of shitty wire. It's not shitty wire, but too hard to bloody to strip if it focuses. No, it won't. Some Cat 6. I thought it was Cat 5, but there's some Cat 6. Some skibble scabble crap. Brass ends, brass plugs, and a couple of ends that have got brass in them. A whole heap. And I suppose there's 2, maybe 1 3/4 pound of the burnt copper and a little bit of the bright. And I got one of those which I got to smash apart. Was it worth it? Not really. Not at all. Do I have the time to do it? Yes I do. So, yep. Fills my day in. Alright, back soon.